It's not even gonna stick because it's not cold enough. All of my diamonds on froze. Yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna get copyright. Stop. You already know I'm recording. Vlog shit. You wanna be in the vlog?
I am.
You wanna be in the vlog? Bro, it's fucking snowing. Fuck this. Quick loop shut down. Bro, it's sticking. It's okay. Go take pictures of the cars in a little bit.
Slick.
Look at that thing. All right. Bruh. Tari, what's happening?
Dude, we gonna fucking die.
We gotta drive home in this. You know, my viewers up north are laughing at me.
Yeah.
Look at that M3. Oh.
Look at that Genesis.
Genesis clean. The M3 clean.
Oh, he has quad tubes.
Nasty.
Oh. Are you sick and tired of being alone? I ate one.
Bro. Look at this snow. It's fucking February.
I was just fucking AMG.
Look at our cars. Ah.
Riley. She's so dirty, it looks even worse.
Now I gotta get that vlog footage. Ooh. I thought I was gonna vlog for y'all since it's snowing and shit.
Oh my god.
Y'all know I usually only do my little driving videos, but it's snowing, so it's a special occasion.
Christmas vlog.
This was recorded on Christmas Day.
Forgot to post it so you don't lose it.
Woo. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures. Yeah. Look, it is snowing. Jesus. Dude. I mean, it's sticking, but it's gonna ice on the way home. So, definitely record for y'all, man. This is gonna suck. All right, this is a little bit later. Now it's snowing like this. Jesus. Get them pictures, Tyreek. So yeah, we came back out here. So now it's snowing. It's all piled up.
Dude, my car looks like the shittiest white I've ever seen in my life.
Jesus. Look at that thing. Bro, it's full of fucking snow.
Bro, chill. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna fill your baby ass pipes up. Fuck you.
Bro, start it. You have your keys?
Yeah.
Start it.
All this snow's gonna go inside my car. I'm not, no.
Damn. Dude, I wanna go home. I don't want to drive in this. We're about to drive 3 very unsnowmobile cars all the way back home. It's about to be bad. Jesus. You got
Your
pictures?
radiator's gonna freeze and kill itself.
That's true.
You forgot all about that, huh?
That's gonna be bad. We're gonna have to let our cars warm up for a while.
Like, we probably should start now. Not afraid to hit you.
Hashtag 40 roll. You don't like it?
I hate you.
You don't like it?
If I knew it was gonna snow, I should have watched that bitch, man.
Bro. Yeah, your car needs like a wash, wax, detail.
It needs love. So right now, like, if you guys know anybody not like the Lexus that does that shit for the low, hit me up.
Jesus. I mean, I'm gonna record the drive home for y'all. We'll see how that goes. Ooh, look at that. Look clean, boy. I want to see if it covers back up.
Alright, bitch. That's it. I'm gonna fucking powerbomb your ass. Fuck this whole snowball shit. Fuck your ball. Fuck it. Then you gotta censor all this shit out.
I don't censor nothing.
No revenue having ass.